Hi, is it working? Can you see me? Welcome to Tynan's Tooltips. Tynan Tooltips. This is Tynan. I'm your tooltipper for tonight. I'm going to be doing some light construction work tonight in my studio. I have some appliances to apply. Whenever I say crackle, it plays that sound. Is that good or bad?
Hamfreeze is live.
We are moving some electrical in this room because we're setting up for a kitchenette to be here. So this is wiring for stovetop and wall oven, which will go right here. I have to run it through the wall because this is going to be right over the stove. We don't want that. Instead, we want to move some electrical here, and we want to move some electrical outlets here. When you're checking that the power's off, don't do this. That will hurt. This cord here goes to the refrigerator outlet, which is over there. This cord goes up. I'm running 240 down to where the oven's going to be, right here. And then I'm running 120 over here. And then I'm going to pull from the bathroom for this one.
Aquí tienes una leche con chocolate. ¿Por qué eres épica? Hamfreeze está en vivo.
This is my dedicated circuit. It's yellow. It's 12 gauge wire. It's for the stove. This is the 120 volt. It's white. It's 14.2. And it's for the refrigerator. It's for the GCFI outlet that's going to be right next to the sink. And it's for the microwave, which is going to be up here. I have to drill a hole here and here so that I can cut through the wall stud so I can run another wire down and over to the GFCI outlet. 16 is like the center-ish of this. And guess what? That's exactly where I marked it, 16 and a half. So let's start cutting. As you tighten these, it squishes and makes pressure against the walls. So we just want to cram it in there. Cram, cram, and we cram it, and then it's crammed. Take it easy. Easy like Sunday morning. Just gotta screw her in so she stays tight. There you go. I'll be using this 120 old work outlet box. And what's the best way to make a big hole? Oh, a big bit. Big bit for a big hole. All right, let's get in there. Ooh, and there she goes. Look at this art I've made on my wall. Just a bunch of mystery holes. E, ooh, ah, ooh, e, ooh, ah, ooh, e, ooh, ah, ah. Do a little slicey slice. So we got hot on this side, white on this side, and we screw it in, and we screw it in. Goo 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 goo. These ones are fun because they have little flaps. And you know me, I'm a sucker for flaps. The flaps do all the holding work. Ooh, child, things are gonna get greasier. Ooh, child, things will get grimy. Ooh, child. My camera!
I like that.
She fell! My poor baby. Eh. Hey-ya. Now we screw her in. And then we just have the ground to do. Drop it in. And then test it out. Alright. So. Everything should be working now. Functional fridge. GFCI outlet has its little light on. And we just gotta finish the work there. I'm calling it for tonight because it's exhausting and I want to play video games. Look, this is a new point of view cam. This is what it looks like if you're an ant. I caught a shy wiener.
I like that.
Bugsnax. Worst game I've ever come back to. Why am I playing this game? Bunger. Bunger bunger. Fellas, ladies, gentlemen, gentlemen callers, teleport me to space. Hey! I'm in space! Pink, 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 pink. I bet you there's at least one dead body in that funeral pyre. Get the crit! Look at this. What do you make of that? What do you call that? It's like fupa for men.
I like that.
This is my male fupa. Did anyone learn anything from that construction video that I just did? Or was it just trash?